size of that stump. Oh shit. First one to find Bigfoot wins. They win, I want to hear about the crash. Might have to wrestle this guy to the ground. You never know. Well, if you catch her. Dude, if I get close enough, I'll see. Freaking giant sea. How you guys doing?
Well, you know, nature's providing. Nature provides.
A lot of berries.
Lindsay stops to pick the berries.
That's somebody's sight.
Hey, don't mind us, guys.
Don't mind us. I'm just here to clean out your berry patch. What do you got? Ooh, look at that. Big fat juice in there. Nobody can sleep like that.
I'll run around back there again. What if the truck will wake him up? Coming over on our lane. Will Monday save us? He'll save us.
We're at the second beach. And,
we're not sure if we want to do second beach
we just
first.
passed third beach.
We want to do third beach first.
Third beach second, or second beach first?
Second beach.
Second beach.
You want to do second beach
Try to
first?
40 minutes.
Second beach.
We'll be all
We're going to the Pacific Ocean today to hunt for that albino sand squanch. So we're on a track to Bigfoot. We just found a sign here.
He's been collecting things here.
This is how Bigfoot's their territory. We'll get them. We'll find them. Here's what's going on. Bird went up there. Now we can't get down. Colin had to try and help him. Told him not to go up there. I don't listen.
Look at this. He's heading straight across. He's going to the island, folks. He's going to the island. Solo buck. Watch out, cougars. Watch out, bears. Same
We know they're back here.